你看两个人跟僵尸一样，脸色苍白的。Hello，就开，我还没让他们。
跟这边。
Yeah， 打游戏嘛，还有1分钟吧。开始了吗？好的，那现在应该没什么人，所以说 ，OK， good morning， good afternoon and good evening. This is Frank here, and right now we are located in Hangzhou, which is a beautiful city very near Shanghai. So we are a manufacturer of various water-related water appliances like the water heater, like the water desicators, the water pre-filters, and the water leak detectors. Like what I am holding now is our first generation water leakage detector. It would be it applied the ultrasonic technology, which can help to accurately detect the water leak situation in the house or building, and then shut off the water valve inside of it. You can see right here. So right now it's not at duty. So later I'm going to show you how it's shut off and preventing shut off. Okay. Huh? Preventing any further damage caused by the water leakage. Okay, so let me put it into put it into the power supply. Like you can see right here, there is a adapter, power adapter. Okay, so in addition to this power cord, it is also equipped with a battery inside, like right here, to prevent an accidental power outages. So okay, right now you can see that the light here is lit up. There are four right on the 4 buttons right on the screen. So each of it has this function. So like this button right here is to set whether you choose to detect the water situation or not, and press the button for like 3 seconds. So right now you can hear it is showed the fortification state, and let's put the button, press the button for like 3 seconds. So right now it transform to the disarming. Okay, it seems something went wrong. Hello, new friend. Welcome to Brisk Spring. This is Frank here. And, right now, I'm introducing our intelligent water leakage detector. So if you are interested, you can leave a message in our comment section. Our coworkers will send you a file with every detailed information of this water leakage detector. Okay. So by the way, may I ask which country are you from? So and what time is it in your country right now? Because it's almost it's 9 o'clock p.m. in China. So would you mind to tell me? Okay, so let's move on. Just now we're talking about this button is to set whether you choose to detect the water situation or not, and the press button for like 3 seconds, it will transfer to disarming mode state. So right now it's a disarming state. So let's turn back to the falsification. Okay. So right now it's turned back, and yeah, and as for this settings button, it also needs to press for 3 seconds, and there will be six modes for you to choose. Like yeah, so right now there are mode 1 blinking, and you can adjust it through these two buttons right here, up and down, up and down. You can so right now it's mode 3, okay, and different mode for different household size, you know. So family of 2, you can choose the mode 1, and family of 3 to 5, you can choose mode 2, and family of more than 6, you can choose mode 3, and the other modes like 4 to 6 modes are for the commercial scenarios like the water heaters and the boilers. Okay, and right now let's set mode 1. Okay, so mode 1, and then we can set some alert value. Hello, new friend. Welcome to Brisk Spring. Right now, this is Frank here, and right now I'm introducing our intelligent, or you may call it smart water leakage detector. It can help to detect the water leaks in the household or building, and shut off the water valve inside of the product, and help to prevent further damage caused by the water leaks. Okay, so if you ever experienced any issues caused by the water leaks, and you can leave a message in our comment section. Our coworkers will send you a file with every detailed information of this detector. Okay, and by the way, which country? May I ask which country are you from? Because right now we are in Hangzhou. We are in Hangzhou, which is a beautiful city located in southeast China, and it's almost 9 o'clock p.m. So I was wondering which country are you from, and what time is it in your country or in your region? You know, sometimes maybe your country is very big, like China or America or Turkey. There may be some different time zones in one country. Okay. Okay. Let's move on. Right now, we are already set the mode 1, and after we set up the mode we want, then we can set some alert values. So the first one you can see, oh, it's almost. So the first one is the liters, is the flow velocity. Or you may call it the flow rate, and we can adjust the desired flow rate through the two buttons right here, just like the former one, and the maximum of it is 20 liters per minute. Okay, you can see right here. So you can press this button, settings button, to confirm. Okay. So the next is is to set a time that matches the current time. So that when the warning message sent to your phone by our app, you can clearly know the specific time. You know, and so right now it's almost 9 o'clock p.m. in China. So let's set. Okay, so that's current time. Where I live in right now. Okay, so the next is the water. Is the flow velocity, and there is some display of several data, which is the first one is the current flow rate or flow velocity. since there is no water pipe connected, so it is displayed as 0 right now. Okay, so then we press the query button right here. So next is it is displaying the current temperature. Okay, so you can see right now it's 18.6 degrees right now in our house. Okay, and the next one is okay. The next one is the cumulative water usage. You can see right here it's sure it shows the water used, and the unit is the cubic meters. Okay, and due to there is current lack of access to water sources, is also displaying 0 right now. Okay, and if we transfer the mode between 4 to 6, and there will be one more that will display an additional warning value for cumulative usage time compared to the modes between 1 to 3. Okay, so let's like right now, I'm set the mode 5. Okay, so once we set up the first warning value would be the cumulative usage time. Okay, and which can be adjusted using two keys right here. The maximum value is 3 hours. Okay, and the next step is to always use the floor warning value, and which can be adjusted to the maximum of 5 cubic meters. Okay, and then the flow warning value, which can be set to maximum of 20 liters per hour. So that's almost every parameters of this product. And for more specific technical informations, and you can leave a message in our comment section, and I will send you our send you the files we have with every detailed information of this product to you. And if necessary, we will let our technical team to contact with you. Okay. So next, so this is our water leakage detector. Okay. And if you are interested, you can leave a message in our comment section. So next is our central water descaler. I believe our audience, our friends, will be very familiar with this product, and I think my colleague Joe, and Rina have introduced this descaler for many times, right? And so this model is our household model, which means you can it's for it can be installed on the main water pipeline in the household and help to reduce the formation of scale in the household. Okay, and for family, there are a lot of places that can be that needs hot water. Okay, and where the hot water is, where the water scale formed, right? And this product is help to reduce the formation of scale, and even destroying the formed old scale to from the core technology. The whole bottle body is made of stainless steel, and it is pretty heavy. Okay, and the core technology of this product is the metal chips, which we call it the multi-alloy chips inside of the inside of the pipe, and there are several metal chips inside of it. And once the water flows through this product, the metal chips will change the water some parameters of the water, like the surface tension, and hence to let them not reduce the quotient, combine to set to combination to okay, and so that's all about our this product. And if you are interested, you can also leave a message in our comment section, and our coworkers will connect with you as soon as possible. Okay, and let's have a hello, friend. We got a audience from China. I don't know. Maybe you are one of our colleagues. Is that right? Am I right? So, uh, how are you doing here, Joe? I just finished the introduction of this central water scalar. Not that good, but I think it's okay for me. So I think I'm start one more time about our water leakage detector.
Okay.
So let's do some paperwork first. Okay, let's get to the top. We have actually we have a audience. We have an audience in our live streaming room, which is who is from China. I don't know. Maybe he's one of our colleagues. Do you know who is he, Joe?
No.
No. Okay. So I think maybe you think I'm a interesting man. That's why he's staying in our live stream room. Okay. So let's get to the top. As I already introduced to you before, this is our first generation. As I already introduced to you before, this is our first generation water leak detector, and it applied the ultrasonic technology, which can help to accurately detect the water, which can help to accurately detect the water leak situation in the household or in this, and preventing any further damage caused by the water leaks. Okay, and so let me put it into the power supply. Power supply. And inside of this power supply, in addition to this power cord, it is also equipped with a battery inside to prevent additional power outages. Okay, so right now you can see that screen. The screen right here is light up, and there are 4 buttons right on the screen, and each of it has its function. And this button is to set whether you choose to detect the water situation or not, and press the button for like 3 seconds. It will change the state. So right now, it has transferred to the disarming state, right? And let's turn it back. So right now it has transformed back to the fortification states, and this settings button, it also needs to press for like 3 seconds, and then there will be 6 modes for you to select, and when we can adjust it through these 2 buttons on the right, up and down. Okay. Up and down. up and down. Okay, so different mode for different household size. And the family of two, choose mode one. Family of 3 to 5, choose mode two. Family of more than 6, choose mode 3. And then the other 4 to 6 modes are specifically for the commercial scenarios, like the water heaters, the water or the boilers. Okay, and right now let's set mode one. Hold on for a second. So right now we have set up the mode one. Okay, then we can start an alert value, which the first one is the flow rate. Okay, which means you set up a value right here, and then once the water flow beyond this value, they will this detector will send you a alarming signal. Okay, and we can adjust it, and we can adjust the desired flow rates through the two buttons right here. The maximum value of this value is 20 liters per minute. Oh no, sorry, 20 liters per hour. And let's choose 50. Okay. So now it's 50 liters per hour, and let's confirm. Okay, so let's set up. So next is to choose the time. To choose time that matches the current time. So right now, so that when your phone sends an alert message to you, and you can know the specific time, right? And like right now it's 9 o'clock, and let's set the okay. So next is the display of several data. So the first one is the flow velocity. Since there's no water pipe connected, it is displayed as 0 right now. And then we press query. Okay. So right now is the temperature displayed, which you can see it's 19.2 degrees. And the current one next. So right now there is the cumulative water usage. The unit is cubic meters, and due to the current lack of access to water sources, this displayed is also 0. And if we transfer to okay. And for this button, the valve control, you can tell by its name, is used to control the valve. Okay, so like press the button for like 3 seconds, it will shut off or we will shut off, or it will close or open. Okay, so like right now it's opened, and let's press the button for like 3 seconds. It will close very slowly. Okay, you can see right here. Yeah, so right now it's closed, and then let's open it again. It's open. It's opening right now. Okay, so if we just we choose the mode 6, we choose the mode 6. Then there will be two additional warning value for a cumulative usage time compared to the mode 1 to 3, which can be adjusted using the two keys right here. So the maximum of it is the 6 hours, 3 hours. So let's set 3 hours, okay? So the next is the cumulative. Cumulative is the next step is to always use the flow warning value, which can be adjusted to the maximum flow warning. Which can be set to maximum of 20 liters per hour. Okay. So that's all about this water leakage detector. And if you are interested, or there are any of you have ever experienced water-related water leak problems in the household, you can leave a message in our comment section, and our coworkers will connect with you as soon as possible. Okay. So I think is there any? Oh, there is. Hi, friend. You're still here. Okay. So is there any products you want to learn more about? Like right now, I'm holding our central descaler, and actually we have the waterproof filters are also our very hot selling products. Okay. And if you are interested, you can tell me, or even leave a message in the comment section. I will go fetch one sample for you. Are you okay? So if you stay in our live streaming room and don't say anything, it will makes me very nervous. I don't know what you want, and is there anything I can help you with? I don't know, and maybe my appearance looks maybe I looks very familiar to one of your old friend. I don't know. Maybe things happens, right? You know, life is full of opportunities and interesting things. Okay, I think so. I don't know. I actually I know there is no audience in our live streaming, but I think we have to stick to it. You know, this is what we do, and I know we the more we know about our products, the more if there is we can act very well like a true salesman in the future. Maybe there is a chance I came across a very big clients, and we can be very confident, right? Because we know every detail about our products. And currently, I'm not very. I actually don't know that. No, didn't know our products not much, and I only know some basic parameters like the. You know, all I know is it's made of like this water descaler. All I know is it's used to uh, it is used to prevent the formation of scale, and the core technology is there are several metal chips which we call it the multi-alloy chips inside of the pipe, and once the water flows through it, the metal chips contacted with the water, it will slowly releases a lot of weak charged. It will releases some electrons, and these electrons will disturbing the water, the parameters of the water, like the surface tension, and hence the water will not become not result the water scale that easily. And in the meantime, we can also reduce we can also destroy the formed old scale, right? Yeah, that's our products. Actually, we have a lot of water related products. Our vision is to bring pure water to your home, right? In the future, there may be a very emergent situation for normal people to it can be very hard for a normal person to have a clean drinking water, due to the climate change and the pollution to the environment, right? Hello, new friend. Welcome to Bristol Spring. This is Frank. I saw you from China, so I don't know. Maybe you are one of our colleagues. If not, you can leave a message in our comment section, and I will talk to you. So we can talk. We can have a talk in Chinese instead of English, right? So if you are not from our team, I think you maybe give me some more time because I'm on my I'm very excited right now because I think I'm just on my prime time. I don't know if I'm right, but just don't push me. Maybe you can have a chat with me if you are available right now because I'm chatting with our audience. There are one audience in our live streaming room and didn't say anything for the past half an hour, which makes me very nervous. I don't know if you have any problem with me, or did I did I do anything wrong? Are you familiar with this gentleman by his
No.
portrait? Okay, so I think I will just sit right here and wait our next client or next audience. Okay, I think Rina, I just found out because Joe just told me. Rina, he asked me, did Rina just told you to do this live streaming stuff? And I say yes because Rina will bully me if I don't do anything. I don't do everything she asked me to do. So I since then I know that it was Joe told you to do this live streaming stuff, and you told me to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, very. You think you are a very smart girl. You think I am an honest man. You can do whatever you want.
I'm a good coordinator between you and dear Joe.
What do you
I
mean?
just passes what he said and conveyed it to you.
No, actually, his target is you. He's calling you. He told you to do this. He asked you to do this live streaming stuff, but you transferred it to me.
Could you please provide some
Evidence.
evidence?
I can show you the
Yes, please.
the message history between me and Joe.
Yeah,
You're very sneaky.
but that can't
Oh, did I say some
say anything.
sensitive word? Sneaky is a bad word. I can't say that, right? Yeah, you're always talking about the English corner. I think that right now is the current is good time. We can have a big room right here and won't be bothered by any other colleagues. So you can say whatever you want to transform to practicing your oral English. Okay?
Okay.
So do you have any feelings about what I just told you? I just said to you. Do you want to defend yourself? You think I am wrong? I give you the wrong description. I don't think so. I know you very well. I may be the one of the most. I may be one of. I may be the most. I might be the man who know you. I don't know how to say. I think. Yeah, we also need some oral English corner. I don't know how to say that. It's embarrassing. You're not my clients, so that's not important. And once if there's a time, I came across my foreign clients, and I can say whatever I want in English. That would be
More embarrassing.
yeah, embarrassing, and that would be a barrier between the for us to have to start a cooperation. He won't place the order to me because of my terrible grammar. So I think my time is up. Rina, would you like to take
No
over?
thanks.
You
Take
can.
your time. Take your time.
Oh, so you can play your phone whole night, right?
Take your time.
That's not justice. There is still an audience in our live stream room, and he didn't say anything so far.
Yeah.
I don't know who he is. Maybe he's so interested in our products and so shy.
So would you like to introduce
No, I just introduced this.
water liquid detector again to your customer?
No, I don't think
Since
so.
he's interested in and
He probably not interested in this water leakage detector. No, not this water
but
descaler.
interested in yourself, Frank.
Yeah, maybe he's interested in me because I looks
Very
extremely
handsome.
like one of his old friends. I just said that would be a chance, right? Because life is full of interesting people like me and the sneaky people like you. Uh, I think Amanda is right. He told me that my eyes.
He told you?
She told me that my eye is pretty good looking when I am smiling. Now I find out this, but I don't think it's good. It's a good thing because in nowadays a man can't make fortune by his appearance, right?
Yeah.
He can only by his strengths. The more money he make, the more strength he has.
Yeah.
Rena, it's your time.
I
Take
agree.
over. Taking over. Let's welcome Rena. Oh, he's very shy. Let's give applause to her. Welcome, Rena. You owe me a favor if I keep sitting right here.
Why do you say that?
Because this right now is your time. I already do 8 minutes more time for you, and you want me to
Not for
keep
me,
sitting
but for this
right
live
here.
stream.
You can buy me a breakfast tomorrow or lunch.
Okay, breakfast
No,
tomorrow.
no tomorrow. No tomorrow. Friday. Buy me a breakfast, okay? You owe me a favor. You are just you always talk too much and you don't do anything. You talk with me about the oral English corner. You want to practice in your oral English, and right now,
But finally, you give up. You choose to give up.
and right now, right here, you
Yes, at the same place and at the same time, you said no.
you are
In
very.
this school, you give up the English corner.
I think
not me.
I think both of us should remember more words and watching more English TVs or movies so that you can learn faster. That's the experience, right? But you don't because you are a lazy girl. All you want to do is lie on the bed
Yeah,
and watching YouTube
yeah,
and some TikTok videos.
yeah. I agree
That's
with you.
that's not a nutritious, right? You should watch some good, nutritious, and good to your heart videos, like the Wenzhao. Okay,
No.
I think we can't keep doing this, right? Because we have to introducing our product, not just chatting. So you can go fetching your products. Come get over here and
Get
study.
over here. Yes,
Get over here.
I'm
Get
getting
over
away
here.
from your place. Yes.
And starting your show. You didn't even put on your lipstick tonight, so you don't even try to do this
Yeah.
in the first place.
Yeah.
You are very. You think I will do whatever you told me to do? I'm not your slave. I'm not your slave, okay?
But the watchdog.
Watchdog. I'm gonna kick you out. Okay, I won't say any bad word in the live streaming room. So right now maybe there are a lot of audience watching me. I got to be make myself
Yeah,
as an example, an example, and it's end of the year, and I know there are only 5 days to the Christmas. I know some of you are very excited, just like me. Like our Chinese people are very excited about our Chinese traditional New Year. Okay, and as a teenager, we can have a lot of fun, and we can have parties with our friends. Rina, do you have a lot of friends that you can have a party with in the New Year's Eve?
No,
Why?
I'm
Why?
a lonely girl.
Because you are very sneaky girl, so you don't have you don't have many friends, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you. You are a gold digger, gold digger, gold digger girl. Is that right?
Exactly right.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
I agree with you. Thank you for your.
You're so candid about this.
I'm proud of this.
Have you ever thought about a man or a girl should be more romantic instead of pay too much attention on money?
Can romance be converted to eat?
No,
Right.
but
Yes.
nowadays you don't have to make that money to feed yourself. Rice is very cheap. You're not talking about the
Here
food.
is the
You're talking about
method.
the expensive shoes, the expensive toothpaste, and the expensive clothes, the expensive glasses, expensive makeup. You're not talking about food, right? What are you doing here? You're destroying our product, our sample. What are you doing? What are you doing?
As you see.
This gentleman is still here watching us, and I think maybe I can tell you my WeChat number. You can add me later, and we have a long conversation. Is that okay? Do you think there is a chance that this gentleman is Jack?
No.
Why?
Why is Jack?
Because I don't know why is he keep looking at us at me.
You're handsome boy.
No, but
That's
he's
the reason.
you're very you're talkative. I will do this until 9:50. 9:50. 9:50. Okay.
9:50.
Yeah.
So what does this time stand for?
You know what I mean. That's enough.
No.
I will punch you with this water skater. Do you believe that?
No.
No? I'm a very violent man. I told you. I was always dreaming about to punch a girl very hardly because I never did it.
Yeah.
Because this was my dream. I am a very violent man.
Yeah.
Did I say too much sensitive words?
Yeah.
It will cause the block of our live streaming room.
Yeah. It will.
It will. Not because of you. Because you are very you're here only annoying me. Because you won't do.
Okay, I will get away. Sorry
No, you
for
can't.
disturbing.
You cannot. You cannot. Just stay here.
Okay, I will not disturb.
Go back. Go back.
Okay, fine.
No,
Please continue.
this is not good. We have only 40 minutes. I need to drink water. I have keep talking over the past 46 minutes. I need to drink some water right now.
What about this?
Could you please come over here and stand me for a second?
Water?
Right now.
Okay, I will take the water for you.
You're an animal? Are you an animal? That water is not for man to drink. That's the experimental water. It's full of bacteria and impurities and solids.
But
If
do you
we-
remember that Professor Huang told us that the water purifier had the function to relieve the
Stop messing around.
bacteria.
Stop messing
So
around.
what about
I need to
the
go.
sip of this water?
I need to
Okay,
go.
I will take it for
I need
you.
to go.
I will take it for you.
I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna punch you with this killer later. After the show. Do you believe me?
No.
No? You can look forward to that. Rina, you need to assist me because I don't know what to say. I sit here by myself. It's it's pretty awkward.
Why awkward? If you think it is awkward, how can you face to face talking with your customers at the fair, maybe at MCE Milan or at the indoor water or something like that.
Stop messing around. I don't have the chance to go to Italy or Spain or French or German. I will only go Indonesia. And I have to pay 4,000 yuan myself.
Much more than 4,000. Okay.
Yes, you know that, and why you mentioned that? What are you doing here, Daniel? You want to teach me some Spanish?
No, I'm wondering what are you doing?
We're doing the live streaming room. That's another form. No. It's just 即兴.
好像是直播。
Yeah.
哎，你们俩刚才互怼一下。
No, it's almost it's
Discussing. It's a
actually
discussion.
it's now it's Rena's time to do this live stream, and he refused to
So
sit
where is
right.
Rina?
He refused.
Where is Rina?
He
So-
refused.
He keeps sitting,
Where Rina
standing.
don't come here.
He keeps standing right there and messing around.
How can you say that? I'm looking around for your product, your main product. You are responsible for it, right? So you can have a try. Because you told me that you have nothing to say, you don't know how to face your customers, and he is still watching at you. Yes. Have a try.
太狠了，太狠了。
So Rena told me this is my main product, which means I should be very familiar with this product more than anyone anyone else in the team. But actually, you bought me empty carton right here. What's your point? What are you doing? It's empty. It's empty.
So what?
So you're still messing around. I will kick you. I'm
You mean
going.
that
I'm
I
gonna-
should take the real sample to instead of the image, right?
Yes.
Okay.
No. I will punch you. I will punch you. If you go away. Yeah.
What's the price? I bring it. Here it is.
I don't think we have enough time right now. It's almost over. We are done. We're almost done right here. It's too late. Too late. If you go to the cutting,
It's too late to apologize.
if you can't do anything if you always late. You can have your favorite soup, the chicken soup. If you too late to go downstairs to the cutting. So you right now you brought me this product right here, and we don't have enough time right now.
That means you are confident to introduce your main product over 10 minutes, right? Okay, please.
I will punch you after I finish my introduction to this product. I
Our
promise.
live stream will be blocked if you say this word for many times.
I don't think so. Punch is not a bad word. I will punch. I can punch this product. That's not a bad word. I'm going to show you our product, our audience, how tough our product is, right? So what I'm holding now is our shower filter, and you can tell by its name. It's used to install in the bathroom and the showers. And this function is to reduce the formation of scale in the bathroom, and the whole body is made of ABS plastic, which is high temperature, high pressure resistant. And if we open it, the core technology, there is a filter cartridge inside of it, and there are two layers of 16 low carbon stainless steel field mesh on the both sides. Okay, both sides. And there are also two black EPDM washer right here. And inside of this cylinder is our MSAP material and silver loaded activated carbon, which can filter the impurities, solids, and other bacteria in the water. And most importantly, it can help to reduce the formation of scale because the MSAP bacteria, right? The MSAP is a food-grade technology derived from a biologically activated materials through special processes. So when it comes to into contact with water, it will slowly releases a large amount of weakly charged functional groups. So these groups can interact with various cations in the water, like the calcium ions, magnesium ions, as well as anions like carbonate ions. And this interaction can interact with can and okay. So this interaction creates a large electric functional interference, which can quickly deactivate the scaling vectors present in the water. So only a very small amount of MSAP is needed. So like this filter cartridge is replaceable. For an average household, it can be used for like 8 to 12 months. So, and then we can open it and replace another new filter cartridge, right? Which is very convenient. Okay. So, Rina, do you have any questions about this product? Please go ahead. I will tell you everything I know. Go ahead.
How long is the lifespan?
8 to 12 months for a normal family, like 4 to 5 family.
How do you replace?
Just open it. Just open it. Like what I'm doing right now. Just open it and then replace. Very easy. Even you are a very weak goal. Not to mention such a strong goal like you. Have a big muscle. It can be very easy for you to replace it. Don't worry. Plastic. No, like this. Metal. You know what I mean? Any other questions?
What about the price?
Price? Oh, may I ask how many pieces you want?
100,000.
100,000. Oh, I have to check with my manager because it's a pretty big quantity. I think I will try my best to get a good price for you. The best price I can get for you. Is that okay? So may I ask what kind of scenario? Are you a wholesaler or you're going to equip it with your own machines? Or you're just an host distributor? Amazon, okay. Great. We have served a lot of Amazon clients. And we also do the specific page for them. And they gave us very
What
high
kind of page?
specification page.
What does that mean?
It means it is when you tap Amazon website, it will shows the main picture, and if you keep rolling the mouse, it will transfer to the specification page, which that shows it is specifications and the scenarios, and it is some parameters and some very important points like this is certification, and this is the material and how healthy it is, how safe it is, how beautiful it is. Just like me. Do you have any other questions?
What about the water flow rate?
It's like 16 liters per minute, and if you are from North America, and I know
How
people
many PSI?
living in America, you use the pounds per square inch, right? And 6 minutes transport to American standard would be 4.23. No,
4.23?
no, you're using the wrong units. The flow rate, the units of the flow rate in America is GPM, gallons per minute, not PSI. PSI is the unit of the pressure. You made a mistake. I'm shame on you.
So actually, I want to ask
I'm
both
gonna-
about the water flow rate and the water pressure.
Flow rate would be 4.23 GPM, which is gallons per minute. And as for the pressure, well, it would be 0.1 to 0.5 megapascals. And if you transfer to pounds per square inch, it would be 21.8 to 108.8 pounds square inch. Is that satisfying?
Is there any water pressure drop when I use this?
No, don't worry. I saw a lot of bad reviews on the big one, the very fat one. It will leak and will a lot of orders.
I mean the water pressure drop.
What a pressure drop? What do you mean? You mean this water, this filter cannot take that much pressure and he exploded when you are passing?
No, actually, water pressure drop. Drop, do you know drop? The pressure drop.
No, of course I'm not. I'm not a native American. I'm just a poor young man who comes from a poor province. I don't know what pressure job. Could you please expounding it? Expounding, which means describe it specifically.
I mean, will the water pressure be decreased when it is installed in the system?
Installed up. Could you repeat?
Installed down.
Install down.
Yes.
Slow down.
Installed on
Install.
the system.
Installed on the system. Okay. Installed on the system and then
Will the water pressure be decreased or dropped
I don't think
if
so.
the consumers use it?
Oh well, it depends.
It depends.
Yeah, because water is very complex. It's very complicated. So if you the water, I think it will influenced by this water more little, and it won't be a huge problem in using. Trust me. You can buy a sample to your home and have a try.
Try what?
Try these products. You will find your skin is become better and better, and your hair is become very smooth.
My hair is smooth now.
Don't you want to be better than that?
I can't have
I think my time is up.
an image.
Maybe I will answer your questions next time. Is that okay, Rina? Can I have your name card so I can let our technical team contact you and send you a file with every detailed information of these products to you?
Thank you. I think it is a good idea for me to contact with your technicians directly since through our conversation in some points sometimes you are not very familiar with your product, especially when it comes to the specifications like the water pressure jaw.
Yeah, great.
But it's a good start for you, man.
Yeah, you
Just
are
keep it going and practice will make it perfect.
you are very professional. I think you are a very good potential
Your
customer.
customer is just late.
Who's left? Oh, I see. He's a real human, not some robot. I don't know why he's keep looking at me. Am I look very good looking tonight?
Yeah,
But I don't put on my lipstick.
I see.
Yeah. So maybe there is a reason. I don't know. Maybe he will come to you and ask me to purchase some water desicators in the future?
In
You can finish the lecture right now.